Hey guys, it's Mrs. Owens. So just a reminder, last week I posted an alternative assignment. This is the link for Pythagorean theorem. So if you want to do this instead of what Miss Mendez or Miss Villarreal posted, you can do that. For this week, what I would do is I like to go to classwork to see this week's assignments. Right, it's the week of 5-4. Your outline is just instructions for how to complete this week's assignments. You have some videos to watch. This is guided practice, and that has the um, an answer key on there, so you'd be practicing and then you would check your answers. It also has some good notes on there. The exit question, it is literally one question. Okay, I'm going to show you some examples before you do that. And then extension, notice it says optional. So if you would like more practice or you want to do more, there's a game here for you to try. All right, so from the practice with the answer key, this is number 1 and number 2. Whether you had Miss Delgado last year or you had me, we taught you the simple interest already, so it's not new. So it's PRT, right? And we know that P is the principal or the money, so interest equals money. Rate was the percent, and of course, T was time, and it's usually in years. Okay, so it's really messy, but all right, so I equals money times percent times time. The biggest thing we always forgot or that we need to remember is that we have to change our percent. So for example, this has 6% to a decimal. Otherwise, you are multiplying. Okay, so I equals PRT, that's the formula. We substitute in, we put the money, right, money first, so 5,000 times the percent, and we can't just put 6, right? 6 equals 0.06 as a decimal, right? It's move it, move it. That's how I got the 0.06. So 5,000 times 0.06, time in years, it says 5 years, so 5 right there. Guys, you would literally go into your calculator, you could use your phone, it's nothing fancy, and type in 5,000 times 0.06 times 5, and you would get 1,500. Okay, that's the amount of interest the person's going to pay. So most of the time they're going to ask you that, but they may ask you, well, how much is she going to earn at the end with interest? If that was the case, then you would do 5,000 and you would add the interest that she's earning. Okay, that would give you the total amount after interest. Okay, so number 2, Holly is taking out a loan in the amount of $10,000. She will pay it off in 4 years with an interest rate of 6% again. Okay, so money first. Right, let's go to our money. 10,000. Our time, or our percent is next. Right, here's percent next. So our percent was 6%. 6 into a decimal is 0.06. And then time is last that we multiply. So time is 4 years in this case. So I'm going to go hop onto my calculator. 10,000 times 0.06 times 4, and I get 2,400. So I basically did my work over here, but that's your ending answer. And the question is just how much interest. So we're not going to have to add on either one of these, but if it asks what was the total amount, then you would add back to the 10,000. All right, simple interest this is all it is. What I would do is at the top of your papers or when you're doing your exit ticket question, I equals money times percent times time. Okay, don't forget to change that percent. All right, y'all have a good week. Please reach out to me. I am here to answer your questions, okay? Have a wonderful week.